Welcome to the presentation on setting paragraphs and double spacing in Word document. Okay, so here is my example on how to paragraph, like setting paragraphs and double spacing. So I have like a title page here, and then down below I have two paragraphs just to kind of show you how this would turn out with the double spacing, etc. So since I have paragraph setting, I'm going to do that first, and then I'll go back to the double spacing so we can see how that looks. So moving down here, have two paragraphs, and here at the top in this section, it is called paragraphs. So what I would do is click on both paragraphs. You see they're both close together. That means they have no separate lines in between. And then I'll click on paragraph. And then you can see here where it says indents and spaces. Right here, you can see where it says line spacing. This is where you will set to determine if you want to do 1.5 lines, double, at least, exact, multiple. But we're doing double space. So we click on double. Now I also like to add the don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, just to make sure everything is pristine, is clean. It looks better that way. And then I'll go ahead and click that, and voila, you can see that both of the paragraphs have been double spaced. In addition, I like to indent. You can go through to indent here. I prefer to just make it simple as possible and just click on the key where it says tab. You can click that for both, and that will work just fine. So make it simple for you, okay? So that would be how I would like double space for those paragraphs, and then excuse me, as well as paragraph setting. And in addition, I will go ahead as well as set up for paragraph, for double spacing for the title. Same thing, go through, double, and then click don't add space, and here you go. So with both of those kind of added together, they're both in the same section for a Word doc, and I thought that it would be pretty comprehensive for you to focus on one section. So paragraph setting for indenting, very clear and cut. Just click on the tabs, on the tab key on your laptop or your computer, and then you will hover over all of the information, go in, click for paragraph, make sure that you see if it whatever it says with the line spacing here, and then click for double. And part of the indentation, and I should have made this clearer too as well, but I'll go ahead and clean this up. Like you can go ahead and do 0.5. That's typical for writing documents, especially for like APA. But that would be for first line, and then it says 0.5. As long as that is set, more than likely you could just press the tab key on your computer or laptop, and it will go through. Okay. So that's pretty much all presentation for today. I hope this has been helpful, and take care.